Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by claiming a small zone and immediate action. Start the 20-30 minute timer and grab one trash bag, one donate box, and one keep bin. Move quickly. Pick up every surface item, decide trash, donate, or keep, and place it in the correct container. Once done, sweep surfaces clear so you see the floor. Make sure to open a window for fresh air. Daylight helps you spot what truly belongs. This fast start builds momentum and removes obvious clutter. You now tackle the middle work, sorting and organizing. Lay keep items out and group them by category, papers, cables, clothing, tools, and decide which needs storage versus display. Use clear bins and label each with a permanent marker. Make one shelf or drawer dedicated to each category so retrieval is simple. Once grouped, deep clean the cleared area, vacuum, wipe surfaces, and pull out furniture to remove hidden clutter. As you work, pause occasionally to reassess priorities so your system remains practical. You finish by putting everything back with intention. Return keep items to their labeled spots, rotate seasonal items to storage, and make sure pathways are clear. Take donate boxes and recyclables out within 48 hours and remove the trash bag right away to avoid rollback. If progress stalls or you feel overwhelmed, stop, reset a 20-30 minute timer, and tackle one small area again. This troubleshooting tip prevents paralysis. Make sure to celebrate the clean zone. It reinforces the habit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.